Hello everyone, welcome back to Infotrix. Do you want to upgrade your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11 but your computer says this PC cannot run Windows 11? Maybe your PC doesn't have TPM 2.0 or secure boot or your processor is not supported. But don't worry, in this video I will show you the easiest method to upgrade any Windows 10 PC to Windows 11. No TPM required, no secure boot required, no data loss, no formatting. This method works for most old PCs and laptops. So let's get started. Open your browser and type here Windows 11. And this is the Microsoft website. Click on it and download Windows 11. Click on it. Here is the Microsoft website. Scroll down and here download Windows 11 disk image ISO. Click here, select your Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for 64 and click confirm and choose your language here, English United States. Click it confirm. Now click on it 64-bit download. Here the download is starting. Now wait until the ISO file finishes downloading. After download is complete, you have to right click on your ISO file. Then click on extract here and click OK. I am using here WinRAR for this process. If you don't have WinRAR, then you can just download and install this software from here, WinRAR. Open your browser and type WinRAR. Then you can find this website and download here 64-bit download and double click on the executive file and simple step to install your WinRAR on your system. After finished the extracting of your files, then go to your desktop and right click and new and select text documents. Then open this file and type the command here setup.exe /product server. Then click file and save as. The file store on that folder where your downloaded ISO file are in. Save this file on that location and name this file update.bat. Give here the exact name update.bat and click save. Close the notepad. Now open the folder with the ISO file. Now double click on this file update.bat, which file are recently created. Double click on it. Click yes to confirm and that's it. Here's the Windows 11 installer. Now you have to complete your setup process. And quick tips here for you: if it doesn't work the first time, just try again. Now click next. Click on accept. Then choose first option, keep file settings and apps. If you choose this one, it only your personal files, or delete your apps. When you select this, it will nothing, fresh installation. So choose the first one and then click next. And then click on install. Your PC will restart several times. This might take a while. It can take 25 to 40 minutes up to your system speed. So wait until the setup is finishing. Once it's finished, just wait a minute longer for the finishing of your Windows 11 desktop. So that's it. Here is your Windows 11 Windows. Let's check it. Click on the settings and click on systems. Then click on about. Here it is. This is Windows 11 Pro. You can see this is Windows 11 Pro. And for the smooth experience, you have to update your Windows. Then click on this update and it will start to update all your programs. And that's it. Now you know how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 on any PC without TPM or formatting. If this video helped you, please like the video, comment your problem. Subscribe to Infotrix for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.